Myself Akash Aslot, and I am the co-founder of Trizon Electricals. We are cable ties manufacturer in Vadodara, and we are also authorized distributor of polycap, lights, MCB, switch sockets, conduit pipes, and even also we deal in wire and cables. We also deal in cable lugs and glands. We are honored for the participation in the Engiexpo. We want to increase our network and we want to expand our business in the market, and we were always looking forward for the connection with the clients. Engiexpo is a very good platform for the development of your network